In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a payment link in HubSpot so you can easily collect payments from your clients or customers. First, log into your HubSpot account and head over to the Sales section. Here, you'll find all the tools available for managing your sales process. If you don't see payment links right away, you can simply use the search bar and type Payment Links. Click on it to get started. Next, click on Create Payment Link. HubSpot gives you the option to start from scratch with a blank link or use a template. For beginners, templates are a great place to start. Select a template that fits the product or service you're selling, like a subscription plan or one-time service. Once you've chosen your template, click Next, and you'll see your new payment link ready to customize. Here, you can add line items, set up pricing, include a summary of the charges, and adjust other settings to fit your needs. Make sure all the details are correct before moving on. Finally, save your payment link. You can now share it with your clients via email, on your website, or anywhere you need to collect payments. This makes the payment process simple and professional. And that's it. You've successfully created a payment link in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.